level has a lot of verticality here. We have to rely on gravity. And jump. Cool. And oh. Jump. Let's go. Jump. Let's go. Okay. Okay, now we're here. Okay, let's do some of these jumps. They're a little tricky, I can't lie. Oh. Okay, well, Thug Lord 49 is currently like the ruling king of the server right now.